Today we're making a delicious and nutritious breakfast, oatmeal with blueberries and strawberries. This delectable breakfast is bursting with flavor and it only takes 10 minutes to make. Oatmeal is high in fiber. It contains vitamins and minerals essential for things like heart health, blood sugar regulation, weight management, and digestive health. Blueberries and strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of chronic disease. They're juicy and flavorful, and they provide natural sweetness, so there's no need to add sugar. We'll add a tablespoon of natural peanut butter and a pinch of cinnamon for an added twist. This healthy breakfast is a great way to start your day. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and it's quick and easy to make. We're making oatmeal with blueberries and strawberries in the kitchen today. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Oatmeal. We're taking oats to a whole new dimension by adding natural peanut butter and cinnamon and mixing in fresh blueberries and sliced strawberries to create a delicious breakfast that's bursting with flavor and loaded with healthy nutrients. It's quick and easy to make, less than 10 minutes to prepare. Here's what you'll need to make this yummy breakfast. 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of whole oats, a half a cup of fresh blueberries, a half cup of fresh strawberries sliced, a tablespoon of natural peanut butter, a pinch of cinnamon. An optional item is a tablespoon of Knox Gelatin. In addition to talking about the recipe today, we'll also discuss the health benefits of the ingredients. Our first step is to get the water boiling. Add the 2 cups of water to a small pot and turn the heat up to high. Add a dash of iodized salt to the water. A little pinch of salt adds to the flavor. Also, iodine is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being. It supports thyroid function, metabolism, brain development, and hormone regulation. When the water is up to temperature, add in the whole oats and cook them for 5 minutes. We're using the old-fashioned style of oats, which are high in fiber. They promote a healthy heart, digestive health, and they help control blood sugar. But don't confuse instant oatmeal with whole oats. That packet of flavored instant oatmeal is loaded with sugar and preservatives. Next, add in a dash of cinnamon. Cinnamon has a distinct aroma and flavor, and it's also an antioxidant and helps to prevent inflammation. It's been used for centuries for both culinary and medical purposes. Total cooking time is 5 minutes for whole oats. Right before you're ready to turn off the heat, add in a tablespoon of all-natural peanut butter. The only ingredient in this brand is peanuts. Be careful using regular peanut butter because they contain processed oils and they're loaded with sugar. One optional ingredient is Knox Gelatin. There's no flavor in Knox Gelatin, but it does wonders for your body. Knox Gelatin is derived from collagen, and collagen strengthens joints and promotes good bone health. Knox Gelatin is a known beauty secret. Back in the 1950s, women would consume Knox Gelatin on a daily basis because it supports beautiful skin, hair, and nails. In the book Dead Doctors Don't Lie by Dr. Joel Wallach, Dr. Wallach states that Knox Gelatin helps to prevent arthritis. Turn off the heat and add in some of the blueberries and strawberries. We'll stir half of them into the oatmeal and save the other half as a topping. Add the oatmeal to a bowl and top it with the remaining blueberries and strawberries, and you're ready to serve. And there it is! Oatmeal with blueberries and strawberries. A healthy breakfast made from whole oats, fresh blueberries, sliced strawberries, peanut butter, and cinnamon. Quick and easy to make, and a great way to start the day. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!